Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Naren from Pune and it's a beautiful day to go out to an amazing place. You guys are in for a treat as we are going to a stunning waterfall not very far from the city. Right now we are on the Mumbai Pune highway and I am riding my Mavrick 440 bike. So right now it's morning time and we will skip the highway and go straight to the village point from where we will enter the village and go to the waterfall. So as you go straight on the highway, once you see a small gate on the right side of the highway, just take a right and then go straight and follow that road to the waterfall. I will post the location in the description so that if you want to go there, just use the Google Maps. So this road is filled with beautiful views on the way, and it's mostly plain lands till the end as far as you can see, and there are few villages as well as few industries on the way, so we'll just skip those as well. So driving the bike in this lush greenery on both the sides of the roads, this makes it worth the while, and since it's morning time, it's even more fun. So we are just skipping past the automobile companies on the way and going to the village. The drive itself is an experience. These winding roads offer breathtaking views at every turn. It's moments like these that remind me why I love exploring off the beaten path destinations. From up here, you can see for miles around the rolling hills, the scattered farmhouses, and the dense forests. It's nature at its finest. Just look at how green everything is. So, on roads like this, you just lower your speed and enjoy the view. So, guys, it takes a lot of time and effort to bring these videos to you. So, show your support by writing a comment, sharing this video with your friends and families, and liking this video. Also, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you. So, there are multiple villages on the route, and there is one more which is coming here. So, we'll just skip through that and go straight to the beautiful view. So because it's morning and monsoon, the views are just amazing. Just look at the greenery on both these sides of the roads, and it's just beautiful. This feeling of driving the bike through the road is just amazing. Can't express in words. So just one observation while riding this bike, whenever there was speed breakers or bumps or potholes, the ride was extremely smooth and I didn't felt any of those. As we make our way through these villages, you can really feel the charm and simplicity of rural life. The houses here are so quaint and surrounded by fields of green. It's like stepping back in time. The best part of the video is here, and I will let you guys enjoy the views. The rain and the mountain on the left and the plain land on the right is a great combination for a great view, and it's just fun riding through these roads. So after driving through the beautiful village roads, I reached the destination and I parked my bike on the side of the road. And here we are at the waterfall. The water cascading down the rocks is absolutely mesmerizing. So the waterfall is a few hundred meters away from the main road, and once you park your bike, you start walking towards the waterfall. It is visible from the road, so you won't miss it. And once you start, it gets a little muddy in the rainy season. So as you can see, I am walking through the path and going towards the waterfall. The path is well marked out, so there is no chance for you to get lost in the way. And the path is narrow, and while walking, you have to be careful of any slippery rocks. Also, wear full pants as well as full sleeve t shirts. If you are new to this video and if you feel you have learned something new, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. One very important tip. If possible, don't take out your phone because there is a chance of water seeping into the phone, or else get a plastic phone cover so that the water doesn't get inside. And if you're planning to go inside the waterfall and get wet, I would recommend carrying an extra pair of clothes so that right after you come back, you can change and go to your home completely dry. And don't forget to wear a good pair of trekking shoes because that's a must. Wow, would you look at that? This waterfall has been on my list for ages. The sound of rushing water is just so soothing, and with the lush green mountains in the backdrop, it's a sight to behold. Because there are huge rocks everywhere, you have to be extremely careful. So just watch where you put your feet and be careful. Well, that concludes our adventure today. Exploring these villages and witnessing this breathtaking waterfall has been truly unforgettable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty around you. Stay tuned for the next part of this video. Thank you.